Hey, so this is the weapon shop showcase demo. Okay, so once you play the game, you're going to have a default weapon immediately in your inventory. So I have a sword that is very loud. Okay, so I have a sword in my inventory, and when you join the game, all right, it is automatically owned. So if you click shop, this UI will pop down. It's not the greatest. I'm no UI designer. You said army theme, so I tried to make it like camo. You can replace the UI if you want to. So if we click on the weapon, this information is shown. So this is the one that I already own. If you don't want a weapon to be owned by default, you can change that in the configuration. I'll show you how to when I implement it into your game. Anyway, we can click on these other weapons here. So this one is not owned. It costs 50 coins. I have 500, so I can click buy and close this real quick. I can equip the weapon, and it's a sword. You can change the weapons to be whatever you would like as well, and you can easily add more weapons. So now this one says own too. I can buy the third one now. Now I have another sword. Yay. And now they should all say owned. If you reset your character, they will all be in your inventory. Yep, all here. And they still say owned as well. And I also added data store as you requested. So we leave and we rejoin the game. You can see that all three items are still here. If I open the shop, they all still say owned, so it works. Anyway, let me know if there are any final changes I need to make before I implement it. Thank you for commissioning me, and see you, I guess.